Hi everyone, from this video we are going to learn about the remaining general insurance products like travel insurance, its features and the types of travel insurance plans in India, transportation insurance, features of transportation insurance and types of transportation insurance, the documents are the contents of documents for transportation insurance and the documents required at the time of settling insurance claim for both travel and transportation insurance. And we can also discuss about the last topics of this unit related to the dealing with customers for general insurance, customer loyalty and promoting customer loyalty for general insurance, and maintaining of insurance records in general insurance. While coming to the travel insurance provides comprehensive coverage against things that are likely to spoil your trip. It covers your medical expenses and other risks so that you can enjoy your trip hassle-free. A travel insurance policy is a popular choice among people traveling on vacations, business trips, or for studies. Buying a comprehensive trip insurance policy will secure you from any losses or damages incurred, which would create a financial burden if not insured. It includes of the various coverages like medical expenses, personal accident, medical evacuation, loss of passport, loss of checked-in bag, theft or loss of personal belongings, trip cancellation, trips delays, etc. And coming to the features of travel insurance policies. Here, a travel insurance is designed to cater to the needs of every traveler, whether flying domestically or internationally, and safeguard them against any financial loss in case of unforeseen event or mishappenings. Here, coming to the first feature is emergency hospitalization and medical treatment. Nobody can rule out the possibility of a medical emergency while in traveling. By insuring your journey, you can stay assured all your hospitalization and treatment expenses will be taken care of your insurer. And the second feature is compensation for flight related adversities. Here, facing any adversities related to your flight is very common, and chances of facing it increase if you are traveling abroad. Whether there has been a flight delay leading to a missed connecting flight or a delay or loss of baggage by any airline, your insurer will compensate for the losses you have incurred. And the next feature includes of trip related adversities. Emergency can spoil your travel plans and would force you to delay or cancel your trip. Trip insurance provides coverage for unforeseen trip delays or trip cancellation. And the next feature is cashless hospitalization facility. If you get hospitalized or availing medical treatment at any hospital of your insurer, you can receive cashless service under your international travel insurance plan, in which all your medical bills will be settled directly by the insurer. You need not have to pay up the hospital for any covered treatment. And the next feature of travel insurance is customized policies for senior citizens. While traveling, the needs of senior citizens are very different from the needs of the other kinds of travelers. Taking this, in fact, some insurance companies offer customized trip policies for the elder people who are traveling within India or abroad. And the next one is available for frequent flyers. Buying an insurance policy for each journey can turn out to be pretty expensive for people who are traveling frequently or multiple times in a year. To ensure that such frequently flyers, an insurance company provides offer multi-trip policies with a year-long validity, which comes under the frequent flyers option. And the various types of travel insurance plans in India can be discussed here. Here, While buying a trip insurance policy, it is important to ensure a hassle-free journey. It is more crucial to understand the various types of insurance policies offered to travelers in India. They have been designed to cater to need of its every citizen, right from a child, adult, student, and to a senior citizen, etc. This can be divided into various types. They are on the basis of geographical border, on the basis of the type of travelers, and on the basis of insurance policy validity, and other types of travel insurance plans are the various types of travel insurance plans in India. While speaking to the on the basis of geographical border, it includes of the domestic travel insurance, international travel insurance, and search engine travel insurance. Here, domestic travel insurance is this type of insurance plan is meant for the people traveling within the geographical borders of India. And coming to the next one is international travel insurance. This type of insurance plans covers individuals and families traveling overseas. It provides a wide range of coverage expenses including medical expenses, dental expenses, financial cash assistance, flight delays, trip cancellations, etc. It also covers the delay of check-in bag and hijack stress allowances, etc. Several insurances also offer home insurance to the travelers house back in India as a part of insurance plan. And coming to the search engine travel insurance is it is a customized overseas travel insurance that covers people traveling to one or more than one search engine countries. It means we can take an example of European trip which consists of various countries in the European nations. That type of insurance can be called as search engine travel insurance. It protects the insured travelers from any unforeseen emergencies that may be lead to incurring financial losses. It includes of the loss of passport, delay in check-in bags arrival, loss of check-in baggage, personal liability, personal accident cover, and etc. On the next coming is on the basis of type of travelers. It includes of various like namely family, senior citizen, student travel, corporate travel, group travel, and medical travel. While discussing about the family travel insurance, this type of insurance plan is designed especially for families traveling overseas together. It usually covers the policy holder, his family like children or his dependent spouse, etc. And the next one is senior citizen travel insurance. And the next one is senior citizen travel insurance. This type of insurance plan has been tailor-made especially for elder people. Most travel insurance companies cover travelers above the age of 60 under such policies, just like health insurance. And the next type of insurance is student travel insurance. It is a student-friendly insurance plan that has been customized for Indians traveling abroad to study. It comes with an extended validity up to 2 years. A part of basic coverage of overseas travel insurance plan, it is also provides the students with covering including sponsor protection, study interruption, medical evacuation, bail bond, and two-way compassionate visit for the insured and the family member, amongst others. And the next type of travel insurance on basing the type of traveler is corporate travel insurance. This type of insurance plan has been designed to cater to the needs of corporate traveling for business purposes. It usually has the validity of up to 1 year that allows the insured traveler to undertake several journeys. And the next type of insurance is group travel insurance. It is a comprehensive insurance plan meant for people traveling together in a group. It is usually opted by people organizing tour grouped industrial trainings, official tours, or pilgrim tours. Many insurance providers offer such policies to people traveling within India as well as abroad. And the last type of travel insurance basing on the type of travelers is medical travel insurance. It refers to the insurance plan that provides extensive medical coverage to insured travelers during their journey. It offers medical assistance in case of medical emergencies occurs while traveling international and may lead to hospitalization. Such policies mostly cover hospitalization expenses, daycare expenses, dental expenses, medical evacuation expenses, and most of repatriation of mortal remain amongst others. And coming to the next, the basis on the insurance validity. Here they are multi-trip travel insurance. This type of insurance plan is made for people who undertake multi-trip or multiple overseas journey in a year. It offers the same level of benefits of every trip without the need of buying a new policy before every journey. Thus, the traveler ends up saving large sum of money by buying the multi-trip insurance policy. And the next policy basing on the validity is single trip travel insurance. Here, this type of insurance plan provides protection to the insured traveler only one single journey. Its valid begins with the start of the journey and ends with the returning home. This international travel insurance comes with a host of coverage that consists of medical cover as well as non-medical covers. And the various other types of travel insurance comes under the baggage insurance and flight insurance. Baggage insurance comes into the picture when you lose your baggage during your journey due to theft or any other mishaps. These losses incurred due to such mishaps might put you in some really big troubles and ruin your trips. In order to get compensated for the damage or loss to your luggage while traveling, you can always rely on baggage insurance. And the next one is flight insurance. Here it is a custom-made insurance plan that covers an insured traveler from any unforeseen flight-related emergencies faced while traveling. It protects him from any adversity caused during the flight or due to the fault of the airline or their staff. It provides the comprehensive coverage of both health insurance and baggage insurance, which includes flight delay, medical cover, accidental death, and dismemberment cover, delay or loss of check-in baggage, flight cancellation, flight hijack, and missed connection flights, etc. And next type of and the last type of general insurance product is transportation insurance. Transportation insurance is a policy that offers coverage on the insured's property while it is in the transport from one location to the another location. Transportation insurance policy is safe and secure way to or covering the risk arising due to loss or damage caused to goods or personal belongings while in transportation. The cost of the premium is decided based on the goods in transportation insurance and the risk of the policyholder is bearing during the policy term. Transport insurance can apply to personal lines insurance, but it also used to commercial insurance for business shipping products inland and internationally. While coming to the features of transportation insurance and its coverage are transportation insurance policies offer global standard coverage. There are multiple coverage options for top insurance providers. The policy can be issued immediately online. Just by providing limited information, you can get transportation insurance cover. One of the simplest way of providing insurance cover to your goods in transportation by this insurance. This insurance policy offers coverage between all risks of damage or loss of goods or death of the livestock, and the majority of selected immediate that you can select according to your business line. Transportation insurance provides a policy that includes compensation against common emergencies that might cause damage to the items that are being transported. These are the various features of the transport insurance. And the next one is various types of transport insurance. It includes of single transportation. Such policies are designed for business owners who send out shipment occasionally, and the coverage is provided for a single voyage only. As soon as the shipment reaches its destination, the coverage will cease. And the next one is customized plan. A transportation policy can be customized on the basis of the goods type, transportation limitations, location limitations, mode of transportation, and any other specific requirements. And the third type of transport insurance is overnight vehicles insurance policy. If the goods have to be stored overnight in the vehicle, then this policy is recommended as it provides the coverage of such goods. And the next one is open policy. This transportation policy provides coverage for multiple transportations that may occur within a given period, which is generally for 1 year. So if a business transports its goods very frequently, then they can purchase this policy and can ensure that they will get coverage from more than one trip without purchasing a different transportation policy for each trip. And the next type of transportation insurance is goods in transportation through third party carrier. If your goods are being transported through a third party vessel or carrier, then that carrier may not take risk of damage to the goods in it. You can therefore purchase this insurance plan to provide cover against the damage when the goods are transported through a third party carrier. And next one is goods in transport through own carrier. If you are using your own vehicle for transporting your goods, then this insurance will cover the goods against damages. And the last type of transportation insurance is cover for multiple vehicles. If you are using multiple vessels for transporting your goods, then you should take an insurance plan for this kind, as it will cover the goods that are transported through more than one vehicle. Multiple vehicles are covered under a single plan in this policy. And coming to the various contents of documents for transportation insurance is insurance policy, certification of insurance, insurance broker's note. In insurance policy, the insurance policy sets out all the terms and conditions of the contract between the insured and the insurance. And the next one is certificate of insurance. It is the evidence of insurance but does not set out the terms and conditions of the insurance. It is also known as cover note. And last one is insurance broker's note. It indicates insurance has been made pending assurance of policy or certificate. However, it is not considered to be evidence of contract of insurance. Various documents required for settling the transportation insurance or the claims can be discussed as follows. They include for claim process, they should be submitted documents like survey report, original invoice of goods in transit, landing bills, duly filled and signed claim form, details of shipping. The correspondence is done through carriers and copies of carriers, any other documents as mentioned by the insurance provider. Dealing with customers for general insurance. Here, one of the keys to satisfy active and profitable in general insurance industry is investing in the customer experience. Providing your customers with an comprehensive personalized experience will help them to boost their familiarity with their insurance policies and reduce the frequency of claims, and satisfied customers are more likely to continue make use of your business even as coverage needs change. It includes of simplifying the experience, connecting with your clients, be available with your clients, provide the right tools, and allow customization. While speaking to the simplify the experience, create a website that would better understand and serve customers. When customers are not able to easily find what they are looking for on a website, they are likely to seek help elsewhere. So simplifying things to provide a customer first efficient service. Your service should allow for personalized experience to drive business and satisfy customers. How you care and emphasis with customers can make all the difference. Consider your target audience and use technology to make their lives and their families' lives easier. And the next one is connect with your customers or the clients. Customer experience is not just about a single interaction with a brand. Create a cohesive experience so that customers are pleased no matter how they connect with the company. Customer service is the team effort, and every point of the contact should be equipped with the tools to help customers. A comprehensive to help customers. A cohesive experience means that no matter how the customer is in contact with your company, they are always provided with the same high quality experiences. And the next one is be available. It is becoming increasingly important to customer to get their questions answered from the comfort of their own house or homes. Insurers should be available and accommodating to that. So customers want to able to access their information 24/7 from anywhere in the world. And the next one is provide the right tools. Customers want to keep their insurance premiums as low as possible while still having the protection they need. Create programs that attract customer patterns and use that information to develop incentives for low premiums. So your dedication by giving your customers the tools for self-efficiency. And the last one of dealing with the customer for general insurance is allow customization. Not every customer needs insurance all the time. Offer policies that allow customers to only pay for insurance as they need it. It is a popular solution for many individuals. If a service can always be easily updated, that show that specialization and finding unique solutions for certain groups of customers is a priority. And coming to the customer loyalty and promoting customer loyalty for general insurance. Here, customer loyalty is a customer's willingness to repeatedly return to a company to conduct some type of business due to delightful and remarkable experience they have with that brand. While speaking to the promoting customer loyalty for general insurance involves of use a simple points based system. This is arguably the most common loyalty program methodology in existence. Frequent customers earn points which translate into some type of reward, such as a discount code, freebie, or other type of special offer. And the next type of customer loyalty promotion is use a tier system to reward initially loyalty and encourage more purchases. Finding a balance between attainable and desirable rewards is a challenge for most companies designing loyalty programs. One way to combat with this, implement a tied system which rewards initial loyalty and encourages more purchases. The biggest difference between the point system and the tied system is that customers extract short-term versus long-term value from the loyalty program. And the next one is charge an upfront fee for VIP benefits. In some circumstances, a one-time fee that lets customers bypass common purchase barriers is actually quite beneficial for both business and customer. If you identify factors that may cause your customers to leave, you can customize a fee-based loyalty program to address those specific obstacles. And coming to the next one is structure non-monetary programs around your customers' value. While any company can offer promotional coupons and discount codes, some business may find greater resonating with their target audience by offering value in ways unrelated to money. This can build a unique connection with customers' trust and loyalty. And the next one is partner with another company to provide all inclusive offers. Here, strategic partnership for customer loyalty can be an effective way to retain customers and grow your company. Which company would a good fit for a partnership? It boils down to fully understanding your customers' everyday lives, needs and purchase processes. Make a game out of it. Here, turn your loyalty program into a game to encourage repeat customers, and depending on the type of the game you choose, solidify your brand's image. With any contest or through, you run the risk of having customers feel like your company is jerking them around to win business. To mitigate this risk, make customers feel like you are not dumping them out of their rewards. And the next, promoting of general insurance is be a generous as your customers. From the outside looking in, customer loyalty programs can appear to be nothing more than a scheme to get customers to spend even more money. That's why loyalty programs that are truly generous stand out among the rest. And the next one is scratch the program completely. Considering how many businesses offer loyalty programs, one innovative idea to make yourself stand out is to mix the idea of employing a program altogether. Instead, build loyalty by providing customers with awesome benefits related to your business and product or service with every purchase. And the last one is build a useful community for your customers. Customers will always trust their peers more than they trust your business. Between social media, customer review sites, forums and more, the slightest slip can be rewarded and uploaded for the world to see. But you can turn this into a positive by managing a community that encouraging customer to customer interactions. One way to do this is with self-service support resources. If you have a knowledge base, you can add a community form. These are the various customer loyalty promoting tools in general insurance. And the last topic of this unit is maintenance of insurance records. Here, the maintenance of records is amid the allegation of insurance products being used for money laundering. Sector regulator IRDA today asked insurer to keep records for customers and beneficiaries for 5 years after termination of business relationship. Here, insurers and agents are also required to maintain the records of all transactions for a period of 5 years from the date of transaction. The new guidelines are in line with the change in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2012. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, that is IRDA, is already examining the allegation of money laundering leveled against certain insurance companies and had said action would be taken against the guilty. That means we have mentioned that In the case of we are not claiming the insurance for the two-wheelers, we will get the discount, or the premiums will be decreased for the next premium, that is zero based or the non-based premiums. For that reference or the claim history, the maintenance of records should be maintained according to the rules of the IRDA for both the consumers and the insurance provider. By this we have completed the third chapter of insurance promotion. Thank you.